Welcome to homework.
So in this particular case, the diagram is already clear, so we can just take the torque about the axle to be 0, which comes out to be the weight of the bricks times the length of the pole, which is 13 meter, times sine of the angle, which will be cosine 55 degree plus the weight of the bricks. Let us just write it down. Weight of the bricks are 11,000 Newton plus the weight of the pole or the crane is 15,000 Newton times its center of mass is 7 meter away from the system. So that's in Newton. 15,000 Newton, 7 meter multiplied by cosine 55 degree equals the tension sine 25 degree. So from here we can solve for the tension, and it comes out to be 2.93 times 10 to the 4 Newton. So now, if we have at the pole, if we have horizontal force and the vertical force, then the horizontal force becomes T cosine 30 degree equals 2.54 times 10 to the 4 Newton. The vertical force becomes T sine 30 degree plus the weight of the brick plus the weight of the column, and that comes out to be 4.06 times 10 to the 4 Newton.